Hello dear students, welcome to Computer Science Department. So myself M.V. Kiran Kumar, lecturer, Department of Computer Science, KLS PU College, Halia. Yes, so today we will discuss the second PUC first chapter, right? PUC second year, first chapter, Computer Science subject, first chapter, that is typical configuration of computer system. So this is the first unit of second PUC Computer Science. Is it clear? Yes. So in this typical configuration of computer system, we are discussing here motherboard first. Yes, we are discussing the most important component of the computer system, motherboard we are discussing. So just recall what we have studied in the previous year or in first PUC. We already discussed what is computer and the block diagram of computer system. So just recall that we have one block diagram of computer system. There is the input unit, storage unit, CPU as well as output unit. Is it clear? So input unit, it receives some data from the user, yes, and storage unit stores the data, and CPU process the data, and output unit gives the required result. So assume that you are sitting in front of computer system. Assume that you are sitting in front of computer. There is a one monitor, that is screen, and there is a keyboard, and there is a mouse, as well as there is a CPU, that is a box, normal dabba. Yes, that is a CPU. Yes, you are sitting in front of computer system. There is a one screen, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and this CPU. Yes, now which one is the input unit? The keyboard and mouse, whatever we are using the devices, those are all input device. With the help of that device only, we are supplying data to computer system. Then that screen, that monitor, we call it as output device. That we call it as output device, means it gives the result. It gives the result. And the third one, that CPU box, we normally call dabba anta helteve. Yes, there is one small box. Yes, that box actually we normally call it as CPU box. Is it clear? Normally we call it as CPU box. So in this chapter we are discussing that box. Means what are the things, what are the components present in that box? We are discussing that box here. Is it clear? So the motherboard, where it is motherboard? So motherboard present in that box. That is, we normally call it as CPU box. Actually, it is not a CPU box. Actually, CPU is again internal, there is one part. But we normally called it as CPU. That dabba, we called it as CPU. So what is this? So andre ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Yes, what are the things? There are so many size. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು CPU size ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು small ಇರ್ತದೆ. Yes, so that box, suppose if you open that box, it contains one simple board. So like this, for example, there is a one simple board and it contains so many components. That it contains so many components, or like this. Assume that. Yes, so if you search in Google, if you just type motherboard and just click on image, you will get the motherboard's image. So hagadre aa CPU dalli ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ? It contains the only one board. That board we called it as motherboard. Yes, so to protect that board, a board alli there are so many components ಬರ್ತದೆ. Later we are discussing one by one. So it contains some wires, some electronic component. ಆ components ಏನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, to protect that we are using one box. The side there is one box to protect that. So normally ಆ box ಗೆ ನಾವು CPU ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Is it clear? So that box contains only one board, the important board. To protect that board, there is some outer coating. ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Is it clear? So this board, that is motherboard, we are discussing in this first chapter. Yes, so this board is very important component of any computer system. This motherboard is very important component, very important. very is a very important component in the computer system, because the word itself says that it is a motherboard. Motherboard, it is a board actually. Yes, board, it is a board. It looks like one board. Why we call it motherboard? Why we call it the fatherboard? Yes, now fatherboard ante motherboard means it is the main. Yes, ನಾವು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ತಾಯಿದಿಂದನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿನೇ ಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮದರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಮದರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ is a main component. So what is this motherboard? It is a large printed circuit board. So this board, it's a one large board. Normally it stays small size ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Yes, it is a large printed circuit board. We know about PCB. So PCB means it is a printed circuit board. Printed circuit board. It is a board. Actually it is a board. It is a circuit board. Circuit means normally called as connections. So circuit means connection. One, suppose this is one component, this is another component. All our components are connected. So printed circuit means already printed. The user will not be circuit, and the user adana connection madodilla. Already the computer engineers created this board and everything will be connected. That's why it is a printed circuit board. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಮೀನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. Is it clear? So it is a large printed circuit board. It is a board. Yes, it's a large printed circuit board. What it contains? Having many chips. Having many chips means the potato chips or any other chips? No. So chips here nothing but IC. Normally we call it as IC, that is integrated circuits. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, that IC. How it looks like that? So ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, like this. Yes, that is IC. Is it clear? Yes, ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So chips is nothing but IC. Having many chips means there are so many IC here. Then ports. Then what do you mean by ports here? So just listen here. Ports is nothing but here, it is a one place where you can connect something. Ports are nothing but it is a place in a motherboard where we can connect. So suppose if you connect pen drive, ನಾವು ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, CPU ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ CPU ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮದರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಆ ಮದರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ CPU ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ? ಈ ಮದರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that place we called it as ports. Right? So it contains ports also. Then controllers. Right? There are different controllers, hard disk controllers, floppy disk controllers, and then ನಾವು study ಮಾಡಿ. So all parts we are discussing later once again. So here I am briefly explaining. Yes, contain ports as well as controllers and other electronic components. Other important other electronic components mounted on it. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Is it clear? For example, this is a board. Assume that this is a board. It contains so many electronic components. That is chips, then controllers, then ports, IC, cables. There are so many things we have fixed there. That is called mounted on it. It is nothing but motherboard. Is it clear? So motherboard means what? It is a one board actually. It is a very important component of any computer system. It is a board, it having many chips. It is a large printed circuit board. Yes, it is a large PCB. And PCB means printed circuit board. Normal simple board ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It is a printed circuit board. Means everything connection, circuit. Now circuit diagrams and the circuit diagram means all are connection. So printed circuit means already ready ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, printed circuit board. Then what it contains? It contains so many electronic components like chips, ports, controllers, bus. There are so many other electronic components mounted on it. Mounted on it means we have fixed there. So that is nothing but motherboard. Is it clear? So motherboard, where we are getting that motherboard? That CPU box. ಅದು ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡಬ್ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಮೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು CPU ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. That board we called it as motherboard. That board we called it as motherboard. To protect that motherboard, ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ತಗಡಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್. So that board is a PCB, printed circuit board. What this board contain? It contains so many electronic components. It contains so many different electronic components mounted on it. Mounted on means ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Is it clear? So this is some introduction about the motherboard. So next we will discuss some of the factors or characteristics of motherboard. Factors or characteristics of motherboard. So here there are three important characteristics of motherboard. That is, first one is form factor, chipset and processor socket. There are three important characteristics or form factor. The first one is factors or characteristics. The first one is form factor, second one chipset, and third one processor socket. So what is this form factor? So form factor normally refers to the motherboard's geometry, dimensions, arrangement and electrical requirements. Right? It mainly concentrated on geometry. Means now ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇ normally size and what are the components we have used, how they are connected. So everything comes under form factor. Yes, form factor refers to motherboard's geometry. Then dimensions, then arrangements, how you are arranged, then electrical requirements, ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So everything we called it as the form factor. This is the first characteristic. The second one is chipset. What this chipset says? Its function is to coordinate. The main function of chipset is to coordinate data transfer between various components of the computer system. Yes, iದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? So it controls or coordinates the data transfer between the various components of the computer system. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ದ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ controlled by this chipset or coordinate. Is it clear? So chipset, what we say, the function of chipset is to coordinate. What they coordinate? The data transfer between various components of computer system. And the third one is processors or socket. Processor socket, we normally call it processor socket. Again, the socket means it is a place. Normally socket, now this word is common now, socket anta ಇದೆ. Socket is nothing but it is a one place where we can connect something. It is one place where we can connect something. What we are connecting? So it is a place. I already told processor socket. It is socket means it is a place. Yes, for what place? Processor, where we can connect processor. So it is a place where CPU is connected to motherboard of computer system. So now you are getting here little bit confusion here. What it say? Processor socket, it is a place where CPU is connected to motherboard. CPU connected to motherboard. In first year what I told, that entire box is a CPU. But actually that entire box, it is not a CPU. But ನಿಮಗೆ basic introduction ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ that box we normally called it as CPU. But in that box there is a one board. In this board there are so many components. In that there is a one component. This is another one component. This component we called it as CPU. It is normally called as a processor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, so processor. It looks like IC, integrated circuits only, but very fast working, more capacity. So this is a processor. Now you get processor socket means it is a place where we can connect this CPU to the motherboard of computers. And ಈ component, this processor socket ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ that is nothing but processor socket. Is it clear? Processor socket. The word ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ processor socket. Socket is nothing but place. So ಯಾರಿಗದು place ಇರೋದು? Only processor. Assume that here there is one place. Once again I will tell. Suppose this is one place. Assume that it is some place. Yes. So here I want to connect CPU. CPU is nothing but again it is one processor. It is one processor. Yes. Where I connected? Na ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು fix ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. That place is nothing but processor socket. Is it clear? The processor socket is nothing but it is a place where CPU is connected to motherboard. This is CPU means it is a one processor. But now last year in first year that entire box is a CPU. Yeah, that entire box is not a CPU, but generally we call it a CPU. But that box contains one board. That board contains CPU. So CPU is the one processor. Is it clear? So this is some basic introduction about the motherboard and the characteristics of computers, characteristics of motherboard. So in characteristics or form factors or factors. So there are three important characteristics of motherboard. The first one is form factor. It mainly concentrates on dimension, geometry, arrangement and some other electronic component which is required. The second one, chipset, what it say? It coordinates the data transfer between various components of computer system. And the processor socket, what it says? It is a one place where we can connect CPU or processor on the motherboard. Right? So this is some introduction of what is motherboard and characteristics of motherboard. Is it clear? So in the next class we will discuss the different types of motherboard. Nowadays there are so many different types of motherboard available. In the next video we will discuss the different types of motherboard as well as some of the components. Means what are the components present in this motherboard we will discuss. Okay, thank you.